Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Podolin here. I'm going to teach you a little bit more about using semicolons. And the final rule we need to learn today is about using semicolons with what are called conjunctive adverbs. Conjunctive adverbs are words like however, furthermore, therefore, moreover, thus, then, in addition, and so on. And we're going to actually see how we can use these along with a semicolon. So let's take a look at our first example sentence here. So we have a sentence that says, I'd like to help you move, however, my truck is broken down. So what we notice first about this sentence is that we actually do have two independent clauses. I'd like to help you move is one independent clause that can stand alone. And then we have another one, which is my truck is broken down. Again, that can stand alone, so we have two independent clauses. Now, we need to punctuate this properly. In order to do this, what we're going to use is actually a semicolon. So just like one of our first rules, we can separate two independent clauses with a semicolon. So what I'll do here is I'm going to insert semicolon here. And we're not done, however. We need to include a comma after the word however. So now we have a properly punctuated sentence that says, I'd like to help you move, semicolon, however, comma, my truck is broken down. And this allows us, if we put our period here, to know that we have two independent clauses with a conjunctive adverb separated properly. Let's take a look at another example. Here we see moving, therefore, is impossible. So again, we have a conjunctive adverb, therefore. However, what we don't have are two independent clauses. Here we have only one independent clause. The point of this sentence is that moving is impossible. The therefore adds a little bit of additional information. So instead of using a semicolon, we actually do two commas. So anytime you see a conjunctive adverb, it's going to be separated on both sides with punctuation, whether that's with a semicolon and a comma in the case here, or two commas if we only have one independent clause. Let's take a look at one more example. And here we have, I hate packing. Moreover, I have too much stuff. Again, first thing I notice is that we have a conjunctive adverb and we have two independent clauses. I hate packing, we have a subject, we have a verb, and I have too much stuff. Again, we have a subject and a verb, two independent clauses, so we insert our semicolon and our comma. And this is how we properly use a semicolon to separate two independent clauses when we have a conjunctive adverb.